Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a footer text in your emails. So if I am going to write an email, and every time I write an email, this footer text will appear at the end of my emails. And this will appear every time I send an email. Now, how do you set that up? This is what you're going to learn in this video. All right, so first of all, you are going to go to your settings. And once inside your settings, you're going to go ahead and click on emails. All right, then over here, you're going to scroll down and you will go to the footer part. So email footer, display my affiliate link at the end of each email I sent. If you want that, you just check the box here. Display unsubscribe from campaign link. This is recommended. Make it easy for people to unsubscribe if they don't want to be a part of your email list. Okay, so check this box, and then over here, you select your domain. So I'm going to go ahead and select my domain, and then this is where I'm going to set up my footer text. So I'm going to let people subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to let people join my Skool community. You can also give access to free resources if you want to, or if you do one-on-one calls and you want people to know about that too, you can have the link here in the footer text. So whatever important links you have that you want people to know, and every time you send an email, the footer text is always there. Now, once you're done, you're going to go ahead and save it and write an email, and you will see the footer text right there.